Mortgage rates are ticking up. Applications are rising with them. I'm Jen Blanchard, your local real estate expert, serving Somerset, Morris, Hunterdon, and Union counties here in New Jersey. And today I'm going to talk to you about some key updates in the mortgage market, which can impact both buyers and sellers as we head into the new year. First, let's talk about numbers. As of November 21st, 2024, Freddie Mac reported that the 30-year fixed-rate mortgage rose to 6.84%. That's up from 6.78% last week, but a year ago it was even higher at 7.29%. The 15-year fixed-rate mortgage also ticked up slightly to 6.02 from 5.99. For comparison, last year's rate was 6.67. This marks a gradual but consistent rise in rates, keeping them elevated compared to historical norms. There is a silver lining though, as rates remain slightly below their peak levels from 2023. What about mortgage applications? Here's the interesting part. Despite rate increases, applications rose by 1.7% this week. That's according to the Mortgage Bankers Association. Why is that? Well, refinance applications nudged up by 2%, likely driven by homeowners who are exploring ways to reduce their monthly payments through rate adjustments or cash out refinances, maybe to position themselves with a higher down payment for a 2025 purchase. I don't know. Purchase applications, though, dipped slightly by 3%. That's reflecting continued caution among buyers facing affordability challenges. I also think, though, that might be seasonal. When you look at things week to week, you see more fluctuations. Anyway, this activity shows that while some buyers and homeowners are adapting to the current market, affordability remains a concern for many people. So for buyers, rising rates clearly impact affordability. That extra 0.1% can add up over time, increasing your monthly payment and narrowing your price range. If you're actively searching, rate locks are worth considering to secure your finances against further increases. Additionally, if you're not at that point yet, it's the time to get pre-approved if you haven't already. Because in a competitive market, being pre-approved not only helps your budget, but it strengthens your offer when you do find the right home. Now, sellers, what does this mean for you? If you're thinking about selling, please don't be discouraged by these trends. Inventory still remains tight, which means well-priced, well-marketed homes can still attract multiple buyers. The key is strategic pricing. Overpricing can lead your home to stay on the market longer, which could happen as buyers are becoming more rate sensitive. So it's kind of like a little bit of this, a little bit of that. My job is to help you make the market work for you, no matter what's happening in the big picture. Here's a final thought. The chief economist for Freddie Mac says that housing continues to face challenges, but the modest increase in inventory does offer opportunities. This is a time for both buyers and sellers to lean on their experts to navigate the complexity of the current market. If you're a buyer, a seller, or just curious about how these changes might affect you, let's connect. I'm here to help you make informed decisions to achieve your real estate goals, no matter the market. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more market insights. If you like this video, please share it with someone who's considering buying or selling. Follow me at J Blanchard Homes for regular updates on all things real estate. Click the little bell, you'll be notified every time I post a new video.